Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'll be doing this hijab look that I'm currently wearing now, and this hijab look and this hijab style. So it's going to be super quick, super easy. So if you want to see how I do this hijab style, stay tuned. Hey guys, so let's get started with this video. So this is a blue royal crepe hijab from Voile Chic. So I'm just going to do a simple style with this one. So make sure I have a little piece. Take the short side and a long side. So I just want to take the shorter side, take the pin, and that's it. For the second one, I'm going to use this greenish type hijab. Again, I have a short side and a long side. So I'll be using this safety pin. This. And that's it. And for the last and final look, I'm using my black hijab with both of the sides are equal. So pin again right here, using a safety pin. Taking this side just like that. And that's it. Just like this, and that's it. So that is the end of my hijab tutorial video today. I heard to do 3 looks for you guys with the three types of hijabs that I got from Voile Chic. I'll make sure to put the type of hijab in the description box. If I do forget to put it in a video, do forgive me already. And I just wanted to apologize to you guys for my week and a half hiatus. I'm now uploading for the first time, I think, in about 2 weeks. I had a lot going on at home. I had family come down, so it was just pretty busy for that Easter weekend. Hope you guys can forgive me, and hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and hopefully I see you guys in my next video. Bye.